NEET 2021 application process has started on July 13 after a long wait. Unlike previous years, the application window is shorter than usual. Hence, you must act fast and complete the NEET application process soon. In this video of Shiksha, we bring to you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET 2021. The first step is to visit the official website of NEET 2021, which is www.neet.nta.nic.in. You can check the notification and the information bulletin from the top left side of the page. Click on the Fill Registration Form tab at the bottom of the page. Click on the New Registration tab to proceed towards the filling up of the registration form. The NEET 2021 application process is divided into 4 steps: registration, application form, image upload, and fee payment. In the next page, read all the important instructions and click on the agreement checkbox and click on Click Here to Proceed tab. In the registration form, enter mandatory details such as candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, nationality, identity type, where you have to select any one of the government ID cards, and identification number, which is the last 4 digits of your selected identity card, and present and permanent address. Choose and enter a password and select a security question and answer, which will help you retrieve your password in case you forget it later. Enter the security PIN and click on Submit. Review the information entered by you. In the next page, click on the particulars entered in the form and verify it, and click on I agree box to move on to the next stage. Your application number will be generated after this step. Your NEET 2021 application number will be sent to you via email and SMS as well. In the next stage of the application form, enter details such as candidate category, confirm you have any physical conditions such as PWD or diabetic, customary dress, and country of residence. After this, select your preference in terms of question paper, medium, 4 exam cities in order of preference, and educational details. This would include class 12 pass status, year of passing or appearing, qualifying exam code, place of schooling, board, roll number, school or college name, address, and PIN code. Once you confirm and verify the details entered, move on to the next page of the application form, which is the image upload. Upload your passport size photograph, left-hand thumb impression, and postcard size photograph in JPG format of 10 to 200 KB file size. The scanned signature has to be in 4 KB to 30 KB file size. The next and final stage is the fee payment. The fee payment has to be done through credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, or Paytm wallet. Select the mode of payment and click on Proceed for payment. After you pay the application fee, you will receive the fee payment and application confirmation through email and SMS. Take a printout of the application confirmation page till the admission process is over. All the best.